Hey everybody, it's been a little while. This is Randy, of course, myscreenkit.net, kingofsolarscreens.com. Man, we have some exciting things getting ready to happen, and I just feel so blessed for you folks who have followed us, who look after us and allow me to teach and show you just how fun and easy window screens are. Man, I mean, oh gosh. That fella up in College Station who sent that email a few weeks ago, and of course I shared it on our Facebook, what a blessing that gave my heart. Just knowing that I encouraged him and gave him some knowledge. This brain gave that man some knowledge to build some screens, and he was able to make a little extra income to put his child in a private school, a Christian-based school, and I love that. Man, I thank you for that. And if you're watching, I won't call you by name, but God bless you, man, and thank you so much. And yes, I get a lot of emails. I don't necessarily share them all, of folks who just thank me for showing them. And let me just tell you, starting next month, guys, in September, we have some new sponsors who are going to help make this happen even more. Education, but more importantly, we know that in this day and time, sometimes we need to make a little extra money. And if you've ever considered starting a screen business as a side hustle or even a permanent job like I ended up doing, and Lord knows after 2 decades, it was supposed to just be a part-time side hustle. But hey, I'm going to encourage you to do this because all of the major big cities have manufacturers, but it's those flyover states. And of course, you know, the breadbasket, if you will, of our country, where you can't necessarily get a good price and become a screen guy. Well, folks, that's what I'm here for. And this is exactly why I am a proud Twitchell distributor. I'm a proud SceenCo aluminum user. Of course, that's roll formed up in Dallas, Twitchell out in Alabama. Folks, I'm going to make this as easy as possible to get you the material that you need to do this at your home. Whether you're buying a My Screen kit for your home or you're just learning how to do it and do it for your community, your local hardware stores, or whatever the case. And yes, I'm going to pick on one Do It Best hardware. And we'll talk about that next month in September, but Do It Best. My favorite hardware. But I tell you what, guys, I just wanted to catch you up, and I'm sorry if I bored you, but quite frankly, standing still this long is, whoo, it just doesn't seem right. Because, you know, when I bring it on, baby, I bring on the energy. Because we know that solar screens are, in fact, the electric bill killing, woo, sun and solar energy, baby. We love it a long time. This is what we do, and this is what we're going to do for you as long as we can. myscreenkit.net. It will be back before you know it, folks. Woo! kingofsolarscreens.com. Follow us, like us, tell everyone about us, and if you don't like us, tell the people you don't like so that they'll like us. Haha, because you don't. Yeah! Woo! I'm going to go sling some screens.